And alright guys, so I'm out here in the location, and wow, that's a dusty filter. Looking at the pictures right here, like it's actually not bad. So what's up guys, it's Caleb here again. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are staying safe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make weekly content based on photography and travel. Well, travel not so much these days, but yeah, I make photography content. For today's video, I'm gonna be taking some self-portraits. One thing about this is that I haven't made a video about this. This video could either go like really bad, or I get lucky and then I can actually get some decent shots. But I plan to try to make this more creative, just try to shoot from different angles just to show you some of my methods to getting good self-portraits, good photos of yourself. Like I said, hopefully it's not like a total flop. But yeah, take my chances and enjoy the creative spirit of it. Like, enjoy the process of creating, and that's what's important. So stick around. Peace. I'm not gonna shoot it here in my room. I'm still able to walk around the area, so I'm gonna find a nice spot that is like quite really secluded. Alright guys, so I am out here in the location. I just drove up here. It's like totally empty. I'm gonna show you like a drone montage just to show you how this place looks from above. It's like this really huge building, and then there's like this circular thing.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me.
That's not why we're here. We're here to take some self-portraits. What I'm gonna try to do is like try to shoot some close-ups. I'll use the 50mm lens, and then I'll also use the 18 to 250mm lens. As you guys can see, I have my tripod here. It's like right there. And for those who don't know, I use the Nikon 32D100. This is not sponsored, but then this is the camera I use. This is my setup. So I'm gonna set a timer, because I don't even have the mobile application to take photos. So I'll set a timer and kind of pose. I'll pick like a focus. I'll try to match focus by looking at maybe some objects or something that would be close to where I would be standing, and I'll try to match focus there, and hopefully it's going to be in focus when I take the shot. So I'll take some close-up portraits, and then I'll try to get some portraits of the environment. I might also try to do some reflection work because I like the way the glass looks. And yeah, let's see what we can get. Looking at the pictures right here, like it's actually not bad. Like I can totally do this. So I totally messed up that framing. Those photos were like, if you see, like this one is okay, I guess, but then some of them were like really low. I was like out of frame. So I'm gonna try that again, just like reduce the angle. So let's see how it goes. So for this shot, I want to add like a little bit of motion to it. So I might do like a jump or like something, me moving around or flipping my jacket to kind of add like a bit of motion to the shots. That kind of adds some vibrance to your images. So let's see how it turns out. So right here, I'm just gonna do like some, we'll see what we can do. I'm just like winging it, seeing which angle works. And I don't know, like I'm just having fun with it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. Even if you didn't learn something, I hope you were at least entertained by this video. And if you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been like really tough making content these days, but then I'm pushing through. I'm trying to like I literally had to like force myself to get out here today, but then it was well worth it. I had so much fun. Like that's the main point of the whole thing. You think about the process, not about the results. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm out here in the location, and wow, that's a dusty filter. But yeah, and if you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And if you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So you may have noticed, but then I clean up a little so I can look good for the shoot for myself, and I think I've improved a little bit on that. So as you guys can see, I have my tripod here. What is all these hand gestures? I don't even know.